Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and opening the right settings so you can add keyboards cleanly. First, confirm your OS version to follow the correct path. This saves time later. Once done, open Settings and go to Time and Language or General Management, then tap Language or Keyboard depending on your platform. Make sure you have an internet connection for downloading language packs. This step ensures the menus you need are available and prevents unexpected prompts later. Now you add the language and specify the exact keyboard layout you want. Tap Add a Language, search or scroll to find the target language, and select it. This is where you choose layout variants like QWERTY or AZERTY. Then opt into handwriting or voice recognition if available, and initiate any required downloads. Once the pack installs, enable the keyboard in Input Methods or Keyboards. This step customizes typing behavior and ensures predictive text and autocorrect work properly. Finish by switching to the new keyboard and verifying functionality so you catch issues early. Use the globe icon or input selector to change keyboards, then type in messages, notes, and a browser to check layout, autocorrect, and special characters. If behavior is off, go back to keyboard settings to adjust layouts, key repeat, and suggestions. If problems persist, reinstall the language pack or reset keyboard settings. This often fixes missing keys or incorrect layouts. Try that before more advanced fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.